Well, back in the GMW kitchen with one of our all-time favorite chefs who is taking us on an Italian holiday of some of the most festive recipes. Chef Amy Riolo, always so good to see you.
Eileen, happy holidays. It's great to be back.
Oh my, well, if anybody is going to, give us a little bit of a European spin on the holidays, it's you, because you're always traveling. You bring us the Mediterranean foods, the Italian food.
Awesome.
Why do you like Italian food this time of year?
Well, it's my culture, so it's easy to fall back on, but it's the #1 food in the world. It's the #1 food in the U.S., and so I think these are easy ways that people can incorporate it at home, even if they've never cooked before.
Okay, so what do you suggest we make?
Over on the right, I've got some star-shaped crostini. So these are just breads that you cut out with a star cookie cutter, and then I slathered on top some of my sun-dried red pesto sauce. You could put your favorite sauce or regular pesto, just trying to keep red, white, and green. And then here we've got a candy cane caprese salad. So your traditional caprese just made into a little bit more festive mood with mozzarella and tomato that's cut in exactly the same shape, and you form the candy cane. Over here we've got the recipe that we're going to demonstrate. These are macaroni pugliesi, which are a wonderful Italian-shaped pasta made with a special Senatore Capelli flour, low in gluten, high in a lot of vitamins and minerals. We're going to toss that with the sun-dried red pesto and some fresh shrimp that we'll make together.
Okay.
We've got a wreath made out of arugula with some pomegranate seeds and a little bit of pepper. We've got a pepper star and some mozzarella ornaments. And then we have family cookies. These are an Italian chocolate clove cookie.
Oh my goodness, I love it. And actually looks, especially a few of these things, pretty easy to do. And you're going to demonstrate this pasta.
Definitely. So we're going to start by heating up our olive oil in the pan.
Okay.
We want a nice screeching hot pan, so I started doing it a little bit before we came on.
Okay.
And then we've got our shrimp. You can use whatever size shrimp you like. If you prefer scallops, if you prefer fish. Italians usually eat fish on Christmas Eve.
We do we kind of do our own version, but I know traditionally the 7 fishes.
Well, the 7 fish is an Italian-American thing. Italians in Italy, just seafood, so just one is enough if you want to do just one.
Fantastic.
I've got some fresh rosemary that's going to add a lot of nice woody smell, some holiday flavor, some Sicilian sea salt.
Oh.
And we'll do some Tellicherry black pepper. And the secret here is just keep that pan nice and hot. You don't have to do a whole lot. Let it do its thing. You can see already how the shrimp are starting to turn pink. Yep. So we know we're doing a great job here. We've got them going. Okay. And I'm just going to give them a little bit of a stir. I don't want to splatter your dress too much. I got to remember, they said not everybody wears a chef coat. So I'm keeping a little bit tame here.
Oh. And so this, shrimp, I love using shrimp because it cooks so fast.
Yes. 2 to 3 minutes is really all you need if you're on high heat. And they're going to turn into these nice little, I tell people when they start to look like @ symbols, but not too tight, that's when you know they're doing their job. And we'll stir in some of this pesto.
And how can people get your pesto?
So they're all available online, either my website, amyriolo.com, or d'Italia.com. I've got a whole gift box like we have over here.
Great gift idea if you need anything last minute, amyriolo.com. This looks spectacular. And remind me again the kind of pasta that we're going to be mixing it with.
I'm so proud of these. This is my newest product. They're privately labeled macaroni pugliesi. So this is a special type of macaroni. I'll let you add those in. They're handmade, and they're actually done with a type of flour. It's called the chosen breed of wheat in Puglia, Italy. And it's an ancient grain made from this wheat that has really a lot of vitamins and minerals in it, and is naturally low in gluten. So you can add those right in.
Okay, fantastic.
And they just hold their shape. They hold all the sauce. You can do this with your family's favorite tomato sauce, meat sauce.
Perfect. I don't want to run out of time. I do want to talk a little bit about some of the wines that you have as well. I can keep mixing this for you.
Yeah, go ahead. So I'm going to pour you a little bit of Gravello, which is from the Librandi family in Italy. This is from Calabria, where my family's from.
Okay.
And I lead culinary tours with this family. So I've got one coming up in May that I'm going to announce this week. I'm super excited because the Librandi family, in addition to being family friends, their wine won the best wine of Italy from the Italian Association of Sommeliers last year. This is Gravello, so it's made with a Gaglioppo grape, which is traditional to our region, and also a little bit of Cabernet Sauvignon. So I'm going to toast to everybody, to you, to Charlie. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Buon Natale, and to Calabria.
I love it. AmyRiolo.com for all of this and more. We've got more Good Morning Washington after the break.
Salute.